Hi everyone, I'm Sofia, I'm from London, and today I want to talk to you about this new perfume that I'm using. It's called Marisu Valley of Flowers, and it's now my favorite perfume from all the ones that I tried on, and it's just amazing. I came across Marisu Valley of Flowers on Amazon when I was looking for something fresh and something new that I could wear to a wedding in Spain this summer, and Marisu came across, and it's just perfect. Every guest at the wedding was asking me which perfume I was wearing. Because Marisu Valley of Flowers lasts for all day, and it has all this flower scents that I really love. But when I was looking to all the different fragrances that you can find on Amazon, what really attracted me at the beginning was the box. It's just elegant and perfect, all the details and the gold work. I really loved it from the first sight. On the back as well, you can find a list of all the fragrances that you can find inside, and jasmine and gardenia are my favorite one, but I think Marisu did an amazing job working with all the other notes as well. On the inside, you can also find a small sentence from Marisu, and the box, I really love it. It's so simple but so elegant. It's exactly what I want, and it really I think is a really nice bottle. Since I started wearing this perfume, everyone is now asking me what I'm wearing, and I love it. I just love it.